Alright, let's do an unboxing here for the RYOBI 40V HP Brushless 730 CFM Whisper Series leaf blower. Actually, let's see. Rubber collar, two, the charger, two batteries. That's it. Pretty easy. Imagine that goes like that. .40 amp hour. See if this have lights on them. That's that one. See if it has any juice. That's on low. That is cool. Let's see what this does. I like it. Let's see what else. Pretty sweet. Let's see this other battery. That's your charger. More fucking books. When everything's online, I don't know why they still gotta send that shit. Oh, this one has two bars. That's what that is. So let's put the 2 bar on while we charge this little bitch ass. All right, well, that's it. That's the unboxing.